Today was a long day.
Yeah?
I'm filming. Today was a long day. Let me show you exactly how I cleaned everything up. What's up, everybody? This is the aftermath. This is how they left it. Root right there. This is all like super high. Look at that. Again. So I'm gonna take all this dirt off. Look at this rut right here. Look at this. Look at this, everybody. This is, look at how high. I set the phone in the rut. So I'm about to fix this up. I'm not going to record the whole process because it's going to make the video extremely long, but yeah, this is how it's left, and I'm going to fix it up and get it ready for seed while I have time. All right, everybody, let's get to it. Time to get started. Okay, that's what we have so far. Brought out the Honda mower, took it down to its lowest setting, and just scrape the living out of this Bermuda. Now I'm going to tackle this, take off all the excess dirt. The seed is still doing good. Look at that versus that junk over there. Look at it one more time before I start tackling this. Look at all that germination there. Look at that. I would say it's almost at an inch. Yes, people. Almost, a little bit over half. And this junk over here is there, but not as well as starter fertilizer. Now, yeah, we'll keep that to the other video. Just cleaning up what they missed. Look at this. See that? Big piece. Look at that. It's not leveled. It's my leveling tool. This is sitting way higher. Look at that. Yep, pulled out all the silver from here in the little section. This section's good, but it seems to be all right here. Drove all on my lawn, but they don't want to do it right. Aye. Look at that. If I'm going to do my lawn, I'm going to do it right, you guys. Look at all that seed germinating. Check this out, everybody. Whew. I am not done yet. Let me just walk you through and show you what I did. Remember this right here? Lowered that, so when I get my real mower, ooh, butter. Good news today too, I also got my rotary scissors in, so yes. All these roots here, look at these. See my hand? All those roots, all that dirt came out of here. All those roots came out of little sections here. So yeah, I already did do the leveling. I didn't level it too good because it's gonna settle, and I didn't want to go too high. So what I'm gonna do is next season I'm gonna come in and do the final leveling here. So right now it's good, just to get started. We're still in August, so I looked at the next 15 days and it looks like we're gonna have high 95 and higher. So this is gonna kick really good. I had this coming up in 3-4 days with my routine of doing starter fertilizer, seed, topper, more starter fertilizer. It's Bermuda, it loves nitrogen. Works great. I did a section over there, just topper with seed, and that was junk. Ugliness. And it all got watered the same amount. All got the same sunlight. Because the sunlight came like this. So, no excuses there. Those are my results. So, I am doing it again. I put starter, seed, topper, and I'm about to lay down some more starter. I'm going to just use Scott starter fertilizer. That's what came up in 3 to 4 days. I'm gonna throw it down again. So yeah, you can see the starter there. I'm gonna lay more here. You can see the seed there. This is Arden 15 seed. So there you go, everybody. I'm gonna finish this up, put the stakes up, start watering it. 4 days, I should have germination. In 10 days, I should have a full set of grass blades here. Check this out. Nice. All right, everybody. That's what I did. Fixed it. Looking good. Looking good. All right, everybody. That pretty much concludes it. Where the red flags are, I'm going to be adding sprinklers there. So yeah, water, and I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprinklers here. Yeah, looking good. All right, everybody, that concludes the video. Hope you enjoyed it. What a crazy process, but I got it done. Peace. Keep mowing and growing. And the job is complete. Tested and looks good. I just flushed them, so yeah. All right, just want to add that in. Good morning, everybody. I just want to add this little clip to the video before I ended my Parkway strip video, and throw in there the progress of a few days after seeding. If you remember in the video, this section here, all the way right here, was all black. But since we had the seeded project prior to fixing this, it came up a lot faster. Even though I packed more topper, a little bit more seed on top of it, we have germination from here all the way down this way, because this is where the tree was, if you remember. Because when we did the seed project, we only went up to the water meter, and then over here was a little slower because it was just junk. So I reseeded this whole area during the Parkway strip renovation part 2, I guess, for this year. But we got runners, we got filling in going on, We got germination, as you can see here. Let me change that. I'm on fisheye, so everything looks tiny. Let me change that. There we go. So you see that? Germination, but it's everywhere. If you see all those little dots, that's all germination. All of it. Everywhere. The little longer grass blades are what was from the first seeding experiment, which was junk, just using topper and seed. Yeah. It's on track, doing really good. But yeah, I just want to add this little clip in for you guys. Let's see if I can get down and use the sunlight for some grass blade angle action. See that? It's everywhere. Everywhere. Alright everybody, that's going to conclude this video of the Parkway strip makeover, renovation, repair, because it was damaged from the tree removal. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Keep mowing and growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.